Hello everybody, good morning and welcome to the Head Teacher Assembly for the 5th of October 2020. You know who I am, Mr. Kerbal, your head teacher. What are we aiming for at Grange? Well, we want all of us to have a great caring attitude. We want to really try our best. We want to always be learning, especially from our mistakes. We want to be going for improvement and progress. We want our education at Grange to help us to learn to make good, great choices, and we want to never give up. So today we're talking about wisdom. Now, what do people mean when they say someone is wise? That's the first question. What do people mean when they say someone is wise? And the next question is it the same as being clever? Pause the video over here, discuss with your adults in the class or with each other. What does wisdom mean? What do people mean when they say someone is wise? Is it the same as clever? So you can see this image over here. It's a beautiful photo that I saw on the internet, and you can see two people and they're just sitting. They look like they're sitting really still, really peaceful, looking at the beautiful scene of nature around them. They're looking at the mountains and they're looking at the river and they're just thinking. And really, I think wisdom is very much about that. Not so much being clever and knowing lots of things, but wisdom is really thinking about things and really listening so that you can really be your best. You can learn from your mistakes. You can learn from the amazing things that happen around you. You can learn from everything in life, and you can try to make great choices. That's wisdom. Really being wise, really listening, and making great choices when you act. So I always like to think of ways that we can try and put into action what we learn. So if we want to be wise, if we want to have wisdom, well, when we're talking to somebody or when we're learning something, we can really try to listen without interrupting. We can think before we speak and speak kindly. We can say, let's be kind with our words. And we can be okay if we disagree with somebody, just we do it respectfully. So when we disagree with somebody, we disagree with them respectfully. We say, okay, that's your opinion, and this is my opinion. We can be okay with each other. There's 3 ways of being wise in life and acting with wisdom. So we know the Grange CC way. We want everybody to feel confident for themselves, to feel great about themselves and considerate, be kind and caring about everybody around them. We have Grange CC walking and CC lining up. CC lining up is very important because it helps you to be ready for the next step in your learning. So you're standing quietly with your eyes in front. You respect yourself, and when you see your adult coming towards you, you can greet them with a good morning or a good afternoon. And CC walking as well, as you've got space for the person in front of you, space for the person behind you. You've got your hand on your heart, so you remember, proud of who you are and confident about who you are, but you're also moving quietly and considerately around the school because everyone is learning and doing well in our school. So stars of the week, well, we had 1 gold in Lower Keystage 2, and that was Ramanula. Really well done, Ramanula. You've been working brilliantly last week. And now we have the Grange House of Water. So the Grange House of Water got a whopping 1,644 points last week. Really well done. And the stars of the House of Water were Ashvini with 21 points, Jury with 21, Khalif with 23, Ryan with 23, Natalia with 23, well done. Atif with 23, Irfan with 24, Maya N with 23, Bassett with 24, Logan with 24, well done. Simina with 26, Joseph 28 points in the House of Water, well done Joseph. House of Fire got 1,687 points altogether, and their stars were Majid with 19, Ishan with 19, Rihan with 20, Zohal with 20, AVP with 20, Branshika with 20, Adam with 21, Dolly with 21, well done, Abdi Rahman with 21, Faiza with 24, Yasmin with 24, well done, Yasmin, Ruel with 27, great work, Ramanullah 28, Rocky San 32, and Laurentio 35, and Emeld, I think that was the highest score the whole of last week, with 73 points. Absolutely brilliant. Grange House of Air got 1,444 points together. Hasnain got 19, Uzair got 19, well done, Anaya 19, Sophia 22, Tamid 23, Nikki 24, Deanna 24, Walid 25, Maria O 27, well done, and the House of Earth got 1,847 points. Riola got 19, Leland got 19, well done, Ange 21, Alexandra 23, Justino 23, brilliant, Vanessa 23, excellent, Maria A 24, Afsa 24, Sammy 24, David 32, brilliant, David Nihara 37, brilliant. So the whole Grange community got 6,626 points last week, which is brilliant. And the champion class contributions, well done, Lister class with 417 points. Brilliant work, Ennis class with 562 points. But I've got to say, Holmes class in a league of your own was 617 points. Brilliant work. So our running total is 17,131 positive points this year. We're doing brilliantly. Our target for the half term is 21,000 points. And this is Freddie. And he lives with Miss Edwards, our deputy head teacher. Maybe you met him on the Grange Primary Harrow YouTube channel during lockdown. He's very proud of the way we've all come back to school. And he said that if we get 21,000 points this half term, then he's going to send a video message to the Grange community. So let's work hard to make this happen. If you have any questions for Freddie, you can write them down, hand them into Miss Edwards. And if Freddie thinks it's a good question, he'll give his answer in the half term video if we get 21,000 points. So be great. Be Grange. Live your lives with confidence and consideration. Enjoy the week ahead. Be safe and happy. Let's learn together, respect each other. Let's achieve our potential. Let's be great. Let's be Grange.